Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab, if you're new. Today in the lab, we're going to be doing a February 2019 What's in My Everyday Makeup Stash for this month of February. Now, I know February is almost over, so some of these products I'm actually transitioning over from January, and then some of them I'll still use in March, and then the March one will be coming up shortly. So this is what I'm going to be using for the month of February. Some of the products I still use right now at night because it's a skincare products, but nevertheless, we'll get more into that. So if you like my What's in My Everyday Makeup Stash per month type of videos, give this video a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button. We definitely want to add you to the fam bam. And without further ado, if you want to see what is in my everyday makeup stash for the month of February, then keep on watching. So starting with what I'm wearing on my lips right now, I forgot about these. I was like going through my lipstick stash. I actually need to continue to go through it and like organize it a bit more. I have one of these clear drawers where these lipsticks are, if you see that right here, but I need another one to put the other lipsticks in. So these are the Sephora lipstick stories. I have it in the shade, the one that I'm wearing right now is number 31. They're so creamy, you guys, so creamy and pigmented. Like, look at that. I didn't even press down hard, but they're super creamy and they're only $8. I'm like, why am I not wearing these lipstick stories? The other one that I have is number 9, and it's more of a everyday type of color. So if you guys see those, they're super creamy. You get a lot of product in here, and like I said, pigmented, and they go on amazingly. Like this is a pretty color. Like both of these colors are gorgeous. They have so many more, so definitely check out Sephora. They do have these in their Sephora collection section, and again, they retail for $8, so you cannot beat that with a stick. And these are the Sephora lipstick stories. I love these, so I'll be wearing these. I'm gonna put these to use the rest of this month going into March, because yeah, so get ready to see the same colors in some of my pictures on Instagram if you follow me there. If you're not, you need to follow me because you're missing out. So go follow me on Instagram. All of that information will be listed in the description box below. Moving on to foundations and concealers. I'm not going in any particular order. I'll go with the skincare stuff last, I guess. So the foundation that I want to use for this remaining of this month is the one that I'm wearing now, which is the Marc Jacobs. I don't want to finish this bottle, but I will use it on a need to basis if I don't want to wear drugstore for that day, because I have a high-end one that I want to wear for this month leading into March, the remaining of this month, and then the drugstore one. So the Marc Jacobs Shameless Youthful Look Foundation is what I'm wearing right now. I have it in the shade Tan Y400. And the drugstore foundation that I want to use is the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth Foundation. I am in the shade 240 Golden Beige if you're using me as a reference. So those are the two foundations I want to use coming up. I hardly ever use this Maybelline one. I use it maybe once or twice in some videos, but I want to give it some tries and see what I like throughout the day, how it lasts throughout the day, throughout the work day, and things like that. So these two foundations. For concealers, there wasn't much for me to choose from. I have a few concealers, but the one that I want to kind of not really finish it up either because it's a high-end concealer, but it's the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Golden Beige. I have it in Golden Beige and Warm Beige. Oh, Warm Beige is right here. Warm Beige is right here, so I have 2 of those, and I'm actually almost finished with Warm Beige. I still have a few more shots out of this Golden Beige. So that is the high-end concealers. The other concealers that I want to give a try, I use it maybe once on those days where I'm wearing a tinted moisturizer or just concealer and nothing but powder. These are the First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Bendy Avocado concealers. I have it in the shade 4, which looks like this, and the shade 5, which looks like this. So I would say that 4 is like my everyday type of color. 5 looks a little more peachy, but I'll work with them both. But those are the two, no, 4. In the 2, 4 looks a little bit more pinky, but we shall see. I'll be trying these to see how I like them, especially with the drugstore one, and seeing how I want to combine those together, because the drugstore foundation, the Maybelline one, is a medium to full coverage, as well as the Marc Jacobs. So all depends on what I'm feeling for that day. I do want to give these avocado, what are they called? Bendy avocado concealers a try by First Aid Beauty. So we're gonna try those out. I'm gonna still be using my Caudalie purifying toner that has grape water, exfoliating salicylic acid, and oil, purifying essential oil. So I still want to use this. I haven't even put a dent in this thing because I try not to use a toner more than like 3 times a week once I do like my actual like mask and all that jazz. Typically because I don't want to dry my skin out. It is so dry out here, which is why I'm going to use the Sephora lipstick stories rather than my usual liquid lipsticks, because of this weather, the air, everything is just so dry. So the thing that I love about this Caudalie purifying lotion is that it doesn't strip the skin. It still gives you moisture and hydration while toning your skin. So I definitely want to stay consistent with using this for the remaining of this month and even throughout March. I want to finish this bottle because it smells so refreshing, and like I said, it gives your skin like hydration, whereas some toners, they actually strip your skin or even make you feel like your skin is dry. So definitely going to continue to use the Caudalie purifying toner because of the smell, because of how it feels on my skin, and I don't have to do much once I use this toner. So that is the toner. Following up with some skincare moisturizers, I do want to finish up my Clinique Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly. They came out with some new pumps, so it all depends on what your skin type is, what your skin is doing. The pump that has orange, pink, green, yellow, you name it with the colors, they go according to your skin type. I can't wait to get that one, so I'll be giving you guys a review on that when that comes. But for now, I do have the Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly, just the original one for all skin types. And this one is very hydrating. I've mentioned this before in a couple tutorials, but it is a jelly, so anything that's like more of a gel consistency, it will penetrate your skin a bit better than your typical moisturizers. But you see, it gives you that instant natural glow, and it feels amazing on the skin. So I think jellies are also perfect if you have oily skin, because it doesn't have a lot of oil in here. Let me see, this one is for all skin types. So whether you have oily skin, dry skin, normal skin like myself, you still can get the hydration that you need by using this hydrating jelly by Clinique. So I'm gonna be finishing this up, or trying to use this majority of the days when I'm doing my makeup looks. I do have a new skincare product that I want to try. This is the Ultra Repair Barrier Cream, safe for sensitive skin. It's First Aid Beauty, and it says to use daily in the AM and PM, apply evenly over clean skin. It has hyaluronic acid in it, so it's going to give you the hydration that you need, but it looks like this. And honestly, you guys, it looks a little weird. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's almost like a foamy whipped texture. And I was told, let me put it on this hand since I have the Clinique on that one. What is this? I was told to, when you rub it in, it's gonna look like you have little white balls, like lint balls type of on your skin, but that goes away once you apply your makeup or your other serums or whatever it is you do with your typical daily skincare regimen. But it does disappear. This stuff is very hydrating. It does have like a semi-tacky feel. It does feel a little tacky, but it has like this cooling sensation as well, like it's airy. So that's what it's known for. It actually says that on the jar, Bare Airier Cream. So it's very airy, lightweight. So I'm excited to try this out. And again, that's the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Barrier Cream. So I'm going to be giving this a try. And I want to get back to using this Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Dream Face Cream. It's the Super Lotus Night Recovery Cream. This stuff smells bomb, you guys. The bottle is gorgeous blue. Look at this nice, like, luxurious blue. The packaging is super heavy. It is glass. It just smells so fresh. Now, I've used this a few nights, and I will say it does give you the hydration that you need. Goes on like a regular moisturizer. It smells like, again, smells so good. It has a lotus plant in it. So it's going to keep your skin very youthful and hydrated, giving you a radiant look, also giving your skin the rest that it needs while you're sleeping, especially if you have fatigue skin, stressful skin, if you're out throughout the day and the climate and stuff is just causing your skin to feel gunky and all that. So after you cleanse your skin, definitely go in with the Lotus Youth Preserve Dream Face Recovery Cream. So I'm going to be putting that back to the test. I really do enjoy using that, and like I said, it smells so good. Anything that smells good, I'm like, yes, that's for me. You guys know I mentioned this before. This is the Too Faced Peach Lip Balm. I've used it in my Get Ready Chit Chat with me, Get Ready With Me Chit Chat video. I don't know if this video will go up first or that one, but this stuff right here, I'm just going to use it because I have it on hand, and if I need a quick balm, I'll put it on. But it doesn't keep my lips hydrated for longer than 30 minutes for some reason. I feel like it like evaporates and go away. I don't know. I have to keep giving this a try. But again, this is the Too Faced Peach Lip Balm Mega Moisture Lip Balm. So we'll see. I've used it a few times. I'm not quite sure how I feel about it, so I have to keep using it. For primer, I'm going to be finishing up my Tarte Quench Hydrating Primer. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Quench Hydrating Primer, and it looks like this. This stuff is amazing, you guys. And it smells really good. It's really clean and fresh, so you're not putting on too many different scents. If you don't like scents for your skin, it's not too overbearing with the scents and the smells. So again, this is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Quench Hydrating Primer, and I want to be using that because I'm actually done with my favorite, the Too Faced Hangover Primer. So my next option would be this. So that's why I'm going to use that one up. And that is basically all the products that I want to use up for this month of February going into March. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you tried any of these products. If you're interested in seeing me use these products, you guys know that after I mention what I want to be using for that particular month, I then follow up with a video showing you guys of me using those products if need be. So yeah, signify by thumbs up this video. Also, comment down below, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.